Loosen the screws with an M8 wrench. Remove the screw. Adjust the component to align the circular holes and then tighten the screws. Loosen the screws of the fixed component of the wire reel and push it a suitable distance away. Then put on the wire spool and tighten the fixing component tightly with the locking screw to fix the spool. Use an M6 wrench to remove this screw. Then place it in the desired position and tighten the screw. This groove can adjust the position of the payoff rack. Then use an M8 wrench to remove the screw of the gear lever, with the gear lever facing upwards, and tighten the screw. Let the wire pass through the gear slider. Then thread it back through the first wheel below. Thread it back from behind the second wheel above. Then thread the wires in sequence. Finally, thread through the wire blocking slider below this pulley and then onto the wire stripping machine. Then connect the data cable and power cable. After connecting the data cable and stripping machine and plugging in the power cable, turn on the power. This is the emergency stop button. If there is any abnormal operation, pressing this button will immediately stop the work. This is the forward and reverse buttons. This is a manual wire feeding and rewinding button. We set parameters before leaving the factory. This payoff machine has 4 sensors, and the faster the wire is fed upwards, the faster the speed. The 4th sensor is a limit alarm and will immediately stop working.